The opposition Congress in Arunachal Pradesh on Friday demanded investigation by a joint parliamentary committee JPC into the allegations against the Adani Group. Addressing a press conference here, State Congress Vice President Meena Tako said the allegation leveled by the Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) of the US against the group were serious in nature. It is evident that institutions tasked with investigating white-collar crimes such as SEBI, CBI and ED have not only failed to investigate Adani despite credible allegations, but have also seen their few investigations halted by orders from higher authorities, she alleged. Instead, these agencies have been misused to facilitate Adani's acquisitions of the airports, ports, media companies and cement plants. They have also been used to target opposition politicians, dismantle opposition parties and imprison opposition chief minister, she claimed. The entire episode has posed a great risk to 10 crore Indians who have invested in the stock market, she said. Toko's remarks came in the wake of serious allegations from US prosecutors who have accused the Adani Group of bribing Indian officials with more than USD 250 million rupees 2,100 crore to secure favorable terms for solar power contracts. According to the US Department of Justice, these alleged bribes were concealed from American banks and investors who funded the Adani Group's projects. The Adani Group has dismissed the allegation as baseless, emphasizing that the business conglomerate upholds the highest standards of governance and legal compliance. It has vowed to explore all possible legal avenues to counter the charges.